Welcome to Product Toolbox. Today, I've got the top 5 must-have product management tools in 2024. Ready to level up your game? Let's dive right in. At number 1, we've got Notion, the all-in-one workspace. Organize your tasks, notes, and collaborative documents seamlessly. It's a game changer for keeping everything in one place. Coming in hot at number 2, Jira. If you're serious about agile project management, Jira is your go-to. Plan, track, and release software with precision. It's a powerhouse for product teams. For our designers out there, at number 3, Sketch. Elevate your design game with this powerful tool. From wireframes to high-fidelity prototypes, Sketch has got you covered. Taking the 4th spot, Asana. This project management tool is fantastic for collaboration. Plan your projects, track progress, and hit your goals with ease. And last but definitely not least, Miro. It's your virtual whiteboard for collaborative brainstorming and planning. Unleash your team's creativity and watch the ideas flow. There you have it, the top 5 must-have product management tools for 2024. Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Until next time, keep rocking those projects.